Menteri Rangba Khubor kontrat ke sangma haka arhoi tarik nai wing ulawan yu kejat ha Umsning ribhoi district bat ula yaj ru daka kejat nalat jagi road shadu yau Umsning bat la penlong ya kejingelang ha Umsning auditorium hall Umsning town Durbar. Hakani kesngi kinong yalam jaga Umsning town Durbar kilapan pau shibun ki Jingdawa kam ha Menteri Rangba Khubor bat ula Kular ru ban Shim Khia walada amla ban penurlong ya baro ki Jingdawa. Ya kimat Jingdawa ki babun ki balong na kabenta ka jingbit jingbiang ki pai ba ka than Umsning lapan sengau do chairman ka Umsning town Durbar ba Rocky kala bat ubala ai tiru ya ka dorkhas syau Menteri Rangba ha ka jingelang ka bakerpang bala penlong ha auditorium hall Umsning town Durbar. Kita kimat Jingdawa balabu da ka Umsning town Durbar kumbalapan paupat ba do chairman ka Umsning town Durbar ki kenthop ban penyo ya ka scientific solid and waste management ka gallery stadium bat penbahaya kamadan nyalekai hapatarim ban penyo ban ke reka jaka bashipho akar jong ka Umsning town Durbar ban wanra ya ka fire and emergency station ha Umsning ban shna ya ka parking lot bat ka market complex bat kan thubru ban penbahaya ki surak bat ban penbhabriu ya ka sor Umsning nalor kiwe ki mat ki badon kam. Habakran hakani kesngi Menteri Rangba Khubor ulapan pau ya ka jingkeman banya don bentalang hakani kesngi na ka benta banya kran halor ka bha ka miat bat ka roi ka pa jong ki pat ba ka than Umsning bat kum Menteri Rangba ula Kularu ban Shim Khia halor ki te ki mat bala wanra da ka Umsning town Durbar. Nalor Menteri Rangba Khubor la sakhilang hakani kesngi de ki we ki bala don lang kenthop yu MLA ka Umsning Dr Celestine Lingdo MLA Kamau Hati ba Charles Marngar, u chairman ko Umsning town Durbar ba Rocky Kala, ki officer ba kiwe kiri rangba, bat ki pat ba nong shnong ka than Umsning. Habakran hakani kesngi ko mukong san Menteri Rangba Khubor kontrat ke sangma ula ong ba kum kinong yalam bala pen Khubor de ki pat ba, ki don ba upat ba, bat kum kinong yalam ki haban ai kata ka jing shakri ka badai kat kum ka jingdan kam jong upat ba. Ulong ru baka sorkar ka ba ulaya lam kamdei kata ka sorkar ka ba yarap ikipat ba ni banwanra iki kampen rai tang hakapor election. Hendrai kum kinong yalam balapan Khubor ikipat ba kidan rengkat bet barupat ba bat ka kamram kum kinong yalam ka deban sengap ya ka sur jong kipat ba bat kham tam ki kampen rai ki ba upat ba udon kam.
You may not believe this, but I do this in a program called CM Connect. What we are having today is actually CM Connect. Many difficult questions are asked, and all the department officers are sitting right there to reply, and I'm there of course to back them up in whatever way possible. So it's something that we have been doing for a long time, and the reason why we do this is because we as politicians, especially the three of us present out here, the biggest complaint against us as politicians is what? That politicians only show up during election. Correct? That is the biggest complaint. And that is what we want to change. We want to give the message to the people. I mean, election is 2 years away, 2.5 years almost away. We have a long time. There is no need for, as per the convention of politicians and elections, there is no need for Chief Minister to walk through Umsning market area on the road. There is no need. You would see Chief Minister doing that before election. But we are doing it now. And there's a reason why we're doing it. The reason is because we genuinely care. We genuinely care. We genuinely believe that the public and God has given us this opportunity to serve the people. This is what we believe. And that's why, even though I cannot solve every single problem that comes up, let me be very frank with you, I cannot. But that does not mean I run away from the problems. I must face them. That is what I have been selected or elected to do. Dr. Baum must face them. But Charles and all of us must face them. And that is the reason why we are here today. We are here, as I said, because we believe that we are here to serve each and every citizen of our state. And we will do our best to ensure that we have a very, very good meeting. I have spoken to the Commissioner Secretary Sports. We have already had a discussion in the last 3 hours. And I can give you the assurance, as I said, right here, right now. We have 2 years, so therefore I cannot run away from it. So I'm giving you the assurance that the fencing and the VIP gallery will be implementing it immediately. So, and at the same time, the basic grass that has to be grown, it may not be the quality that, say, we have in Jain Stadium right now, because that requires a lot of drainage and other things. But so that the sports person are not hurt and are safe, we will try to improve the ground also. But fencing and gallery, VIP gallery, is something that we have already decided. So that's one thing. To speed of light only, that we just were there at the junction when I got down from the vehicle, right? And the town Durbar officials were there with me, and they told me that the nala has to be made and the nala has to be cleaned, and that road that goes towards Mohati, there has to be drainage being made. And I talked to our engineer Lalu from PWD. So he told me that it's about 1.5 or 1.8 crores something. File is there, and it's on the table of Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD, and we need to move on this.
Kelab kaloi. Kani ke perthai mobile mentan ni. Ting saya alam berkelai. Dari mana rumah? Nak kata kadang mau kuat menang ipi. Long ki besta, bishar bah, husiar bah, but shua berpinlah pinrai yang rai kejoki. Dapur sana. Yo kawan kecing kopi. Kuat ban pin mau ipi, kan mau Khubor non trai mahe Shillong yang aku ni. Wat kelat ban ong kublai. Bat kabah nyau kecing aku. Ni dik altli ki poin mau kuat ban kan mau ipi. Bang Yimdei ban kelat Iaki balai bahai ni. Pikularan? Dr. Bom mandang ni Shillong ngaru. I work together with Dr. Bom. Most of the time I'm here in Umsning, sir. My village starts from the CNC. So we always together, we will work together. I'm very close with Umsning constituency, and many students from my constituency, they come to study here in Umsning. So once again, thank you so much, sir. Khubor Dr. Bom.
So put your hands together. So thank you, Bang Arus Negara, for